It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, June the 27th. I'm Michael Groff. Pretty typical June weather here in the valley today. Sunny, dry, high temperatures near 110. Slightly cooler weather in upcoming days and a little bit of an increase in moisture across the state. Next week, the potential of a heat wave where temperatures go way above average just in time for some monsoon moisture also. All right, let's get into it. First, we'll look at the almanac from yesterday. 110 was the scorching high in the valley after a morning low of 80. And there it is, that all-time record high of 122 degrees set on this date, June 26th of 1990, a day that many of us in the valley, myself included, remember quite fondly. And outside right now here at 5:35 a.m., clear skies in the valley. We begin this day at 84 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 38, humidity 19%. The air is calm, the barometer rising. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning, 66. How about that at Fort McDowell, 72 in Buckeye. Most of us here in the urban core, low and mid 80s. It's actually 79 now in Arcadia where I'm at. The upper air look across the country, well, we're dominated by ridge of high pressure here in the southwest. No surprise there. The flow aloft starting to turn a little bit more southerly, and there you see some moisture across northern Mexico. Question is, will any of that sneak up our way in coming days? The watch warning map, red flag advisories across much of the southwest, heat advisories and a few excessive heat watches and warnings in the nation's midsection parts of the southeast. Heat index values in excess of 105 degrees in many of those locations. Convective outlook for today, a slight risk of severe storms, parts of the Tennessee Valley and in the southeast U.S., and a marginal risk for the western plains and extending eastward toward the Atlantic coast once more. Rainfall for the next 7 days, nothing for us here in the valley, but we're starting to see the rainfall numbers coming up over the southeastern parts of the state now, around a tenth, 2/10 of an inch, as some moisture could be coming our way. And we'll get into the details of that now as we check the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. There's our old summertime friend, the ridge of high pressure to our east, subtropical ridge. Down at the surface, you know what that means. Sunny skies and highs again, 107 to 110. Afternoon breezes out of the west and southwest, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, clear skies. It's a dry air mass, relatively. Lows, mid-70s to low 80s. And then tomorrow, sunny skies, the ridge suppressed ever so slightly. High temperatures, 105 to 108, and some afternoon breezes. Let's go to Friday. Sunny skies, highs 102 to 105, and the GFS is again being very bullish on moisture advection here with a backing southeasterly flow. This run, and this is actually 11 p.m. Friday night, is showing some scattered showers and thunderstorms over the southeast parts of the state, maybe an isolated storm sneaking into the south central deserts. I don't think this is going to happen. The GFS is a clear outlier on this. It has been the most aggressive model for days on this topic, but is inconsistent. I mean, one run, it's got it there. Another run, it does not. So we'll see. Saturday, the GFS continues to be aggressive with the moisture. Showers, isolated thunderstorms, southeast Arizona, a few of those trying to sneak into the valley. Let's take a look and, for the heck of it, check the European same time. This is Friday night at 11 p.m. It's got nothing statewide. Saturday, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it's got a couple of showers and storms maybe over southeast Arizona, but nothing in the valley. It keeps us completely dry this weekend. High temperatures on Saturday either way look like they're going to be at about the 100 to 103 range. 101 to 104 on Sunday with mostly sunny skies. The GFS still keeps a couple of isolated showers around southern Arizona or the southeast portion of the state. Just not seeing that. Monday, the GFS continues with moisture here over the southwest, and that continues into Tuesday. But at some point early or middle part of next week, a pretty strong ridge is going to be building across the nation's heartland, and that's going to start to turn the flow aloft out of the south and southeast. So monsoon moisture will be increasing at some time. It's just that the GFS wants to really start to bring it in early, and high temperatures will be warming up too with ridging, so we'll be around 107 to 110 by Tuesday. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 4th of July, Independence Day. 597 Ridge in the nation's midsection. Hot there, hot here. We'd have highs somewhere between 108 and 111 if that's right. Here's Thursday, July the 5th. The 6,000-meter ridge centered right over Nebraska. Boy, you talk about a cooker. Much of the nation will be sweltering if this is right, including us here in the valley. And don't look now, but here's the end of the forecast period. Friday, the 6th of July, that ridge slides westward, centered somewhere over the interior west. Yeah, the 600 decameter contour just north of us. High temperatures. Yeah, if the GFS is right, we'd be between 112 and 115, maybe hotter than that, but there's an easterly flow, so we'd have to battle with the moisture coming in as well. Hot, humid, chance of showers and thunderstorms coming into the state late next week, again, if this pans out. Checking the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble through the period, and yes, we will see a downtrend in temps for the rest of the week and into the weekend, but then we really start to heat up next week. Highs getting above 110. See, it's got a couple of days with 113 out there. That's certainly possible. We'll see how much moisture comes in and how strong that ridge actually is. If it's as strong as advertised right now in the deterministic runs, well, we could be looking at some near record heat by the end of next week or the following weekend. All right, that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a fantastic Wednesday.